Hi, my name is Chris. I'm one of the physical therapists at Henry Ford Hospital, and today I'm going to show you how to use a dressing stick. A dressing stick is a wooden dowel with two hooks at the end that can be used to help you get your lower body dressed if you have bending limitations that prevent you from doing that task. The end of the dressing stick has a small hook that can be used to help take off socks. You use it by placing the hook at the top of the sock and sliding the dressing stick down on your leg until the sock is completely off your foot and on the floor. The hook at the other end of the dressing stick can be used to help you get your pants on. You place the hook in one of the belt loops of the pants, lower the dressing stick to the floor, and place your foot in the pant leg of the pants. Remember, you want to always put on the pants on your sore or operated leg first. Use the dressing stick to help slide the pants up your leg until they are at a point where you can easily reach them, usually at about or above knee level. Stand safely and pull the pants the rest of the way up your legs. Thanks for watching today. We hope you found this helpful.